Hey guys, I just got a package from Sun Dream Succulents. I purchased this plant from Instagram. Her Instagram is called Sun Dream Succulents, and she sells succulents and cacti. I am so excited for this plant because mine unfortunately died. So let's open it. I'll have to use one hand. Oh my goodness, how cute! I love the stickers. Ooh, look at this sticker. So cute. And then this cute little card. Aww. So cute. Excited. Excited. So she only takes Venmo or Zelle. So, you know, you always have to be very careful, but I looked at her Instagram and she was legit. So I purchased. And so now you know, you heard it from me. She's good. You're good to go. Oh my goodness. Let me see. And let me make sure. She gave me a little gift. I'm excited about that. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. Awesome packaging. And then let's be so gentle here. There's a little bit of tape here. Oh look, scissors right here. There is lots of wind going on, guys. I'm so sorry. I gotta open it this way because it just came in and I quickly grabbed it and ran over here to open it. Oh, don't tell me to tell you the name of this. I'll have to, I'll put it on the description box, the name of this Blossfeldia. I can't remember how to say it. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. And it was flowering. This is the time where many of these start to flower. Okay. Let's see. I'll have to put this out. Here it is, guys. Look at all those little buds. I'm so excited. This is the one that you see. My most popular video is, it was springtime and the wind was blowing and I was walking in and this beauty was right here. And it was flowering. So I'm so excited. This plant is really hard to find. There's only one time that I found it, which is crazy, at CVS. At CVS, that's super crazy. So here it is. She did an awesome job packaging it so that the buds would not get damaged. So I'm so excited to pot it up. And yeah, let's see what the gift is. Here's the little gift. So cute. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this could be this plant, like a baby version of it. So excited to have it. Thank you so much, Sun Dream, for packaging my succulent, my cacti in such a great way where they arrive safely. And thank you for the stickers. I appreciate it so much. Guys, I hope you check her out. Yeah. I was just looking for this plant and I saw that she had it, so I took a chance and look, awesome. Thank you. Bye guys.